Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naraya. For those that are new here, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are doing a little hair video today. I know it's been a minute, but we are working with Queen Version Remy. They sent me over 4 bundles to play with. I really like that each bundle comes with its own crochet needle because, you know, these things tend to break. So these are individual Loch-Ness crochet knots. I do have my hair braided underneath. Thank you, Rolanda, to show that it is a 22-inch human hair bundle. Really nice, really tight. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all 4 bundles in my head for this video. This is what they look like unraveled. I like that it's more of a loose wave rather than a wet and wavy. And these are the individual loops. This is what it looks like. You do get a collection of these in the bundle, and it just makes it real easy to loop through the braid. Although there are many of them, I assume that it really won't take me this long because my hair is already braided down because of just this single loop. So it just makes a difference in making sure things are installed quickly and making things just a lot easier to maintain here. So this is what I'm going to start. I'm going to make sure to put the loop inside of the go ahead and loop it through, and then all you're gonna do is make perfect. I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably gonna speed through a lot of this until we get to the top, and then I can be a little more detailed. So yeah, enjoy the vibe, enjoy the music.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. You. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher from my rocket now. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way, but we don't really want to. I just
Okay,
wanna
y'all,
get
so
away.
this is
Sit
all
right
of
next
the
to you.
hair on my head.
I don't wanna
I
kiss
am
you.
loving it.
Yeah,
I would
just
say
wanna
it
feel
was
you.
very tedious. You know, the loops are very small, so you know, just be mindful. But I just love how lightweight it feels. I love how flat it feels. Like it doesn't feel too big or bulky. It feels like, honestly, micros. Like, do you remember micros back in the day? This is what it's giving. I love how flat it looks. I'm gonna style it a little bit, put some water, put some mousse on it, put a little bit of edge control on, and then I'm gonna come back with the final look. But this is 2 packs and like 1/4 of a pack. So 2 packs, you can probably do both your whole head with 2 packs. They sent me 4, so yeah, you can definitely make this a lot fuller if you want. You can add more pieces throughout the braids, but I really like this. I love how lightweight it feels. And yeah, so I'm gonna style it a little bit, come back, jazz it up, and yeah, girl.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you.
All right, y'all, so this is the final look of the hair. I did do my edges. I just love how lightweight it is. I love how beautiful it looks. It's nice and full. If I want to flip it over, I can. It's giving sexy. Oh, I like this. I love how this looks flipped over. I love the curl pattern. I love how this is just, it's real vacation hair. It's real vacation. If you're going on vacation out of the country, this is definitely the type of hair you want. We add just a little bit of mousse. It's so nice, so versatile. I love it. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Flip it over. It looks fantastic. Put it up in a ponytail if you choose to. I think it looks nice up as well. So nice. With that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. As always, huge shout out to QVR Hair for sponsoring today's video. You know the drill. If you're interested in this hair, if you like crochet hair, if you're looking for something new other than wigs, make sure you check out the description box below, link down below, girl, so you can save you some coin. And like I said, this was like 2 bags and a little bit, so you can get away with getting 2 bags and be like just fine. But if you want a more fuller look, you can add as you please. But I do think 2 bundles was just enough to give me this va-va-voom. I absolutely love it. So I love you guys. As always, thank you for watching another video of mine. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.